Take a walk through any parking lot, and you'll notice a peculiar detail on the roof of almost every modern car. A tiny plastic bump shaped exactly like the dorsal fin of a shark. For years, people assumed this was just a cosmetic trend, a cheap accessory added to make a family sedan look a little more aggressive. But that little fin isn't just for show. Hidden beneath that plastic shell is a surprisingly sophisticated piece of engineering that most drivers never think about. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we are looking at a brilliant piece of everyday engineering to answer the question, what is that shark fin on your car really doing? To understand the shark fin, we have to look back at the cars we used to drive. For decades, listening to the radio meant your car needed a whip antenna, a long metal rod sticking out of the hood or the trunk. These rods had one job, catching AM and FM radio signals. But they were frustrating. They were durable enough for everyday use, but they were still vulnerable to damage from car washes, vandalism, and accidental impacts. If you forgot to lower your antenna at the automatic car wash, those heavy spinning brushes could snap it right off. And at highway speeds, wind resistance created microscopic vibrations, sometimes causing an annoying whistling sound. So as the 21st century approached, drivers wanted GPS, satellite radio, and built-in cellular connections. But every single one of those new features required its own separate antenna. Automotive engineers faced a major design headache. How do you add 4 different antennas to a luxury vehicle without making it look like a remote-controlled toy? They needed to bundle these receivers into one compact housing. The roof is the ideal location because signals such as GPS work best when they have the clearest possible view of the sky. But a blocky box on the roof creates wind resistance, so engineers look to aerodynamics, designing a teardrop, fin-like shape. This specific curve allows air to glide smoothly over the top and split cleanly around the sides. It minimizes aerodynamic drag and greatly reduces wind noise compared with older external antenna designs. Plus, sitting flush against the metal means a car wash just glides right over it. So what is actually hiding inside that sleek plastic shell? If you pry it open, you won't find a simple coil of wire. You'll find a densely packed circuit board known as a multi-band antenna array. Inside, flat copper squares called patch antennas are tuned to catch faint signals from satellites orbiting more than 12,000 miles above Earth. This allows your navigation system to pinpoint your exact location. Right next to the GPS, satellite radio antennas pull in broadcasts from orbiting satellites, while cellular antenna elements help connect your car to mobile data networks. These connections enable features like live traffic updates, onboard Wi-Fi hotspots, and emergency SOS systems that can automatically call for help after a serious collision. In many modern cars, the old AM and FM antennas have actually been moved to thin wires hidden inside the rear windshield glass, leaving the shark fin to handle many of the vehicle's most advanced wireless functions. It's easy to take the little details of our vehicles for granted. What began as a clever way to package multiple antennas into one streamlined housing has evolved into a digital command center, a quiet masterpiece of modern engineering. Next time you walk up to your car, give that little fin a nod of appreciation. It's working very hard to keep you connected. Thank you for watching Simple Things Surprising Histories. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more hidden histories. See you next time.